Hello, this is Marudambal. We are come back through the video. Today I am going to explain something different and it's very useful to you. So please cooperate with me and please listen to me. My topic is I am going to give some questions to you. We used it for counting. We could not count anything without this. Yes, that's number. I'm going to tell about number. Number. What is number? Number is a symbol of objects. Number is a symbol of objects. It helps to count the objects. How many is there? If I have 5 apples, means I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples. How I will denote? Yes, the number is represented by a symbol, that is a number. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like this. These numbers are called Hindu-Arabic numbers. We used in our life 2 types of number, that is Hindu-Arabic numbers and the Roman numbers. Roman numbers are introduced by the Roman empires. They represent the number using the alphabet words. You just imagine you're in your classroom. You just go outside and see what is wrote in the outside your class. If you are in 5th standard, the letters are display V. In the railway station, in the clock, the numbers are display alphabets letters, that is I, 2I, IV, B, X, like this. Your watch is also, some wristwatches are displaying the Roman numbers. The Roman numbers are introduced by the Roman Empire. Today I am going to briefly explain about Roman numerals. 7 basic letters are used in the Roman numerals. It will make a many numbers. The 7 numbers are I, V, X, L, C, D and M. The 7 numbers are, once again I repeat it, I, V, X, L, C, D and M. These numbers are many numbers in the Roman numerals. Okay. Here I, it's denote 1. It's denote 1. V, it's denote 5. It's denote 5. X is denote 10. L, it's denote 50. is denote 50. C is denote 100. D, it's denote 500. And M, it's denote 1000. It's denote 1000. Once again and repeat, because it is the important for the Roman numbers and it makes many numbers in the Roman numerals. Okay, I, it's denote 1. V, it's denote 5. X is denote 10. L, it's denote 50. C, it's denote 100. D, it's denote 500. And M, it's denote 1000. Okay. 3 basic rules we are used in the Roman numerals. How many rules? 3 basic rules. That is rule of repetition, rule of addition, and a rule of subtraction. The 3 rules are rule of repetition, rule of addition, and a rule of subtraction. Repetition means what? Yes, it is repeated again. The number will repeated again. That is repetition. Addition is increase. Addition is increase the value. Subtraction is decrease the value. Repetition is repeated once again. Addition means increase. Subtraction means decrease. First, I am going to tell repetition, rule of repetition. Here, 1, I am going to write in the Roman number, that is I. 1, I am going to write in the Roman numbers, that is I. 2, I used repetition rule. So, 2, I am going to write I am going to write I. So, the Roman numeral for 2 is I. 3 is I am going to write I. The I is repeated 3 times. That is 3. The Roman numeral for 3 is I. Okay. The number 1, the Roman numeral is I. The number 2, the Roman numeral is I. And the number 3, Roman numeral is I. This is the repetition. Similarly, 10. What is the Roman number for 10? Yes, that is X. 10 means X. 20 means, can you guess? Yes, that is X. Yes, very good. 20 means that is X. And 30. The X is repeated 3 times. Yeah, good. 30. X. Like this, 10. X. The Roman number for 10 is X. And the Roman number for 20 is X. The Roman number for 30 is X. Are you clear? Okay. Now I am going to explain the rule of addition. Addition means increase the value. Okay. If the higher value of the 1 to 5 is 5, the higher number is 5. If the lower number, if the higher number is greater than the lower number, you have to subtract. If the higher number is greater than the lower number, you have to subtract. Meanwhile, if the higher number is left of the lower number, you have to add. Okay, once again I repeat. The lowest number is 1. What is the letter of the lowest number? Yes, that is I. The highest number is 5. What is the letter of the 5? Yes, that is V. Okay, now we. So here V is for 5 and I is for 1. If the higher number 5 is right of the lower number, so you have to subtract. The letter of V is 5. The letter of I is 1. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So can you find what is the letter of the number 4. Yes, that is IV. Yes, that is IV. This is the rule of subtraction. This is the rule of subtraction because 5 is higher than 1. So we have to subtract 5 minus 1, 4. So we have to write the letter of 4 is IV. Now the rule of addition. Addition means increase. So the letter is righter or left? Yes. You have to write the higher value in the left of the lower value. So VI. I am going to write VI. What is the number for V? That is 5. What is the number for I? That is 1. So V is left of the lower number. What we did? Yes, we are going to add the numbers. So VI is equal to V for 5, I for 1. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Very good. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So can you guess what is the letter for 6? Yes, that is VI. What is the letter for 4? Yes, that is IV. The letter for 4 is IV and the letter for 4 is VI. Like this, similarly, 7, 8. The letter for 7 is VII. The letter for 7 is VII. So, 5 plus I for 1 plus I for 1. So 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7. So the letter for 7 is VII. Like this, the letter for 8 is also we denote VIII. Yes, that is 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So the letter is the number is 8. So the letter for 8. The Roman number for 8 is VIII. But 9 is something change. 10. What is the letter for 10? That is X. The 10. The letter for 10 is X. So 9 means you have to write IX. IX. What we did, if the higher value is greater than the lower value means you have subtract. Yes, correct. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. So the letter for 9 is IX. The letter for 9 is IX. So now I tell the Roman numbers for 1 to 10. Okay. 1 I, 2 I, 3 I. This is the rule of repetition. Very good. 4 IV. This is the rule of subtraction because the higher number is right of the lower number. Okay. Then 6 VI. This is the rule of addition. Yes, because the higher value is left of the lower value. So you have to add. 7 VII. 8 VII. 9 IX. 10 X. Like this you have to do up to 11 to 20. Okay, 11 means you have to add XI. The X is higher than the lower number I. So you have to add 10 plus 1, 11. So 11 is XI. 12 is XII. Okay. I hope you all know what is Roman number, what is Indo-Arabic number and what is number. Number is a quantity. It represents a symbol. Two types of number we used in our life, that is Indo-Arabic number and Roman numbers. Roman numbers are introduced by the Roman Empire. They use the symbol for alphabet letters. They use the symbol using alphabet letters. So now I explain up to 10. The basic 7 Roman numbers are I, V, X, L, C, D and M. Okay, these numbers are used to make many Roman numerals. So you have to try to write up to 20 and send your answer through the WhatsApp. I hope you all enjoy. Thank you.